the Polished Beauty channel. I am Tavia and I am Polished Beauty. Now you guys, we're about to get into colorful, a beautiful, beautiful, colorful makeup tutorial. I am using the Warrior 3 by Juvia's Place palette. And I also use, I think I use mainly just this palette. You guys, you don't have to use both of these palettes. You don't have to use the exact thing that I use. You can use similar stuff. And I also use the Zulu by Juvia's Place palette. If you just have one of these palettes or if you have something similar, you don't have to use the exact same thing that I use. You can put your own spin on it, use your own items. I don't want you to have to go out and buy anything to create this look. If you have a colorful palette, just use what you have. But man, do you guys like my hair? Like, I did the big chop. I know in my last video I told you guys that I was going to be getting some braids, but I decided against the braids. My hair was so damaged, so I went in and I cut it. I did the big chop. I went back. I had a friend of mine who does hair, and I had her to shape it up, and I styled it. So this is going to be my hair for a little while. But anyways, before we get into the makeup tutorial, I want you guys to look down, hit that subscribe button, give your girls a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I try to upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But due to my work schedule, you guys know I'm a travel registered nurse. I haven't been able to keep up with that schedule. But I am going to try to come with you guys with some more content. Now, let's get into it. Okay guys, we are about to do a colorful tutorial. I've already done this eye. I did this eye off camera because I didn't know if I wanted to go with this look or not. But I've decided to continue with it, and it's going to turn out so bomb. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to be using the NYX Professional Makeup Eyeshadow Base in the white. Use a white concealer, whatever. But if you are melanated, you have to use a white base to get your colors to pop. Now I'm just gonna spread this all over because you guys, ordinarily, if you was melanated, you would go ahead and conceal under your eyes with your concealer and then bring that down so the white won't be so far up. But I got my eyebrows microbladed and I'm not putting any makeup on them right now. So I'm just going to try to patch this together the best I can. And you just basically want to follow the shape of the eyelid. So I'm going to go ahead and matte this down with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And we're going to be using the Zulu palette in the Warrior palette by Juvia. This is the Zulu. You guys have seen me use both of these palettes before. But I think I used more of the Warrior palette because the colors were more brighter in this one. So I definitely tried to use this pink and this purple, and I used the shimmer shade out of that palette. So we're going to go into, I use this blue too. We're going to go into the blue first, and we're going to take that blue right over here. guys, colors can definitely be tricky to work with. So just do your best when you're trying to recreate this look, and just like keep it, just keep going. Don't stop. Just keep going. And I promise you, like by the end, you put all your makeup on, your look is gonna be bomb. Okay, so the next color we go into is a purple. Now I use this purple in this palette, and I use the other purple because like when I put this purple down on top of the white, it started to look kind of pinkish. I guess that white and that purple made it look pink. So just be careful when you're doing your colors. And right now we're just gonna lay our colors down, and we're gonna come back later and just blend them, make them blend. Okay, so the next color we're gonna go into is going to be this pink, and we are using Juvia's Place, the Warrior 3 palette. So as you can see, I took this pink and I went over that purple line a little bit, and that blends it. And then I'm gonna use the blue the same way. I'm gonna take the blue and I'm gonna go over the purple line. And then I'm gonna use a brush that I used earlier that didn't have any color on it. It's got a lot of pink on it now. I'm gonna use it on my color switch, and I'm just gonna go in and just blend them seamlessly. Okay, so we're gonna go back into our cut crease brush and our white eyeshadow, and we are going to cut this crease. If I can find my brush. Okay. And then we're gonna go into the white NYX eyeshadow base, and we're going to cut this crease the best you can. Now I am only using one brush this today because I'm using this white. I don't want to mess up a lot of brushes. I've already got to wash my brushes. So just try to be careful when you cut your crease. Try to cut your crease high, higher than your natural crease. And we're going to cut this crease all the way across the pink. And it's okay if that color gets messed up and get all smushed, that's fine. So we're going to go back into the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and we're going to matte down our crease. Okay, so what I did next was take a flat shader brush and wet it with some Fix Plus. Let me find the flat shader brush that I use. Here. So I took a flat shader brush. This is a wet and wild flat shader brush. I wet it with some Fix Plus, but you can use whatever you want. And I think we went into the Zulu palette. It's went to the Zulu palette. I'm pretty sure. Or was it this one? Yeah. It was the Zulu palette, and it was this shimmer shade, this blue shimmer shade right here, and we took that into the crease. And all you gotta do is just pack that color on. And then I took it almost all the way to the end, just almost, just not quite to the end. Cause then we're gonna go back into the purple. That's in the Warrior 3. Now you could use just the Zulu palette. You don't have to use both these palettes because this Zulu palette has the pink or purple and it has all the colors that you need. So you can use just one of these palettes. This is just how I am OCDing my look. Okay, so then I take my brush I had my purple. I go into my purple and I bring that purple right there. And we're gonna fade out the crease towards the end. Okay, then I went in with my liner from hanging here and I lined it with some mascara on. And we're gonna finish up the rest of our look. I did not do a wing with this look because I felt like I had enough going on already. Okay, you guys, I do think I'm going to finish this up off camera and I will be back. I am back with my final look. Big hair reveal. Big Chop, Team Natural. How do you guys like it? I definitely think this colorful look came out super freaking gorgeous. Like, let me tell you. Let me tell y'all though, Fenty highlighter. I bought another one of Fenty highlighters. Sephora had them on sale for like 1 day, and I got the kilowatt afternoon snack and the Mo Honey. Like Fenty highlighters be freaking showing out. Um, I used some more new products on my face, but you guys, I didn't film me putting it on. But anyways, I've got a lot of new products that I got in that I shopped at Sephora. Not the Sephora, but I shopped Ulta and Sephora, but it was the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. So I'm going to be showing you guys all the new products that I picked up. I hope you guys absolutely enjoyed this tutorial and love this look. So do me a big favor, you guys. Give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. But I'm going to holler at you guys later. Bye.